Dude, we're going to need a hammer the size of a small house to get those big ones in. We're back working on the John Deere 410 loader backhoe. I had 2 other videos before you may have seen of rebuilding cylinders. I got all the seals installed and I ended up ruining the seals on one of the cylinders.
Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again.
When I was hammering the cylinder rod back in, the groove that snapping goes in sheared off all my seals. And I had the other cylinder still to go back in. Someone told me to use a piece of flashing to cut that cylinder. I tried it and it actually worked really good, but once we got it all completely driven in, we noticed a piece of the flashing tore off and went into the cylinder with it. And we tried getting the cylinder shafts back out, but in the process we ended up losing seals on that cylinder too. So it took about a week or so to get new seals ordered. They sent the wrong ones at first and they had to be sent back, and it was kind of a process. But now I had the seals back, and we're going to get them installed and see how it goes back together. This time we're using a pop bottle to put inside the cylinder, and we're hoping it won't tear out like the flashing did. Okay, that's going to do it here for this video. I still need to put the spanner nut on before I can test cylinder. The threads got buggered up on the end of the gland, so I cannot get the spanner nut back on. So I just need to get a file, clean it up a bit, and she'll be right. I already got the other side finished, and it seems to be working. And I'm going to get this backhoe pulled out here once I get the spanner nut here back on and cylinder all hooked up. Now we'll get a video of this backhoe working, and we'll see what it does. Okay, please like if you like it and subscribe. Plenty more videos to come with the backhoe and other things here around the forum. And make sure to check out my Instagram account. As always, thanks for watching.